Meron kaming birthday party na atinan, guys. So, ikot muna tayo dito. Guys, nasa overlooking kami. So, ikot tayo dito sa winery na to, guys.
Everywhere I go, beauty finds its way.
Hi guys! We are now in Montalto Winery here in Red Hill. So, meron kaming birthday party na atinan, guys. So, ikot muna tayo dito. Okay, let's go. Montalto Restaurant open. Piazza open. So, yan yung winery, guys. Ang laki ng area na to. So, mamaya mag-ikot tayo dyan sa baba. Ang restaurant, nagre-ready pa lang. Hindi pa sila open. It's sunny today. So, ikot tayo dito sa winery na to, guys. Enjoy your wines, protect our vines. So, guys, ito yung ginagawa nilang wine. Guys, this is Montalto Winery in Red Hill. So that's the restaurant there. And meron din silang overlooking restaurant. Guys, nasa overlooking kami. Look. Nasa overlooking restaurant here in Red Hill. Montalto Restaurant. Ang ganda. Ang ganda dito, guys. Punta kayo dito, Montalto. Celebrate ng birthdays or anniversaries and everything. Party.
Pwede. Father's
So,
Day,
maganda.
Mother's Day, and everything.
Hey, this is Tess. Hello. Maganda dito.
Nakakatagdag ng aura.
Tara, let's go. Ding isang parang kainan din dito sa labas. Dito na sa pinakababa. Ayan. Ang ganda dito pag summer. Ngayon malamig pa. So, this is the surroundings. There we go. Medyo malayo lang to, guys. Mga around 40 to 45 minutes travel from the downtown. Kasi medyo mataas na tong area na to. So, this is the area. And it's gonna rain, I think, because it's getting colder. Okay, guys. We're gonna enjoy our lunch here. Good?